If you are Caribbean at heart and you want to cook something that would remind you of home, the best place to go and find it is in a Latino store. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and I have something special for you. 2 weeks ago, while on vacation, guys, I wanted to do a video. So, of course, I'm going to check out the local Latino store. Now, guys, to my surprise, they had goat meat, but this is no ordinary goat meat as me know it. This is a goat meat with its skin on and its scrape, guys. So guys, guess what I do? I just wash it, clean it, season it up, make it marinate nice and good in coconut oil, guys. I brown it up nicely. You see? Yeah. This is how it look like. Next, guys, I throw in all the seasoning, guys. I add to that some beef stock, guys. And I then allow it to pressure in my Instant Pot for about 40 minutes. Now, guys, while this is happening, I go ahead to make me a nice sauce. My sisters, they don't like a lot of vegetables in their meat, guys. So I'm going to use some blended season, and then I use the sauce from the goat meat. Guys, what I'm going to just make one nice thick sauce, and then simple add my goat meat to this and allow it to simmer. Now, guys, this tastes good, can done. I'm going to add to this just a little bit of dry herbs and spices, guys. Let it reduce and thicken, and then, as I said, add my goat meat to this. Leave it and like it simmer for about 5 minutes. You don't know, as usual, guys, I want to big up to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the whimsical family. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave your comment, guys. Of course, share my channel with your friends, like the video, and turn on your notification bell so you can get weekly notice, guys. Now see that people look good, smell good, can done, delicious, taste good, nice, succulent, guys, right down to the very last bite. I encourage you to try this next time you are in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching.